Very good evening, everyone. Charles here, FergrantForex.com, Fergrant Daily Chart Analysis, and of course, in association with Fergrant Mastery. Today, we have taken profit, 3% return on all of the investments today based on US dollar CAD longs using our grand confluence of which is the beautiful catalyst, the DXY. Now, let me bring your attention to something a little bit more important, something I preach on and on and on and on about. Prior planning in your trading. In terms of forecasting, you can be wrong, but over time you will find out that you will develop the skill of which you are able to understand where price is likely to go based on your higher time frame analysis, based on your forecast, based on your technical ability. 3 days ago, I'll highlight it, and this will be a bit of a shameless plug, but from time to time I will do a bit of that. 3 days ago, price had not developed. This would have been a Sunday as a result of me now viewing that there is no lower time frame present, whereby I'm just using the weekly, I'm using the daily, and I'm using the 4-hour time frame to come to a bias based on my technical ability, something that takes time to develop, but it can be developed to that level of professionalism. So we'll fast forward a couple of trading days along. We'll head back over to US dollar CAD, and you can see that we have quite clearly taken profits here on that position. That was forecasted 3 days ago. So what that emphasizes is patience in trading. I understood that at some point in time there is every likelihood for price to want to return to this area. And when price is to return to that area, it's then down to my trading ability, not only my technical ability in terms of forecasting price, but my trading ability in all of this time to remain patient. Even when price came down to these lows, as low as here, still remain patient and understand that my plan is what takes precedence, not so much what I want to do, but what my technical ability is telling me to do. And that's very important in the game of trading. So of course, FergrantForex.com in association with Fergrant Mastery. Of course, if you are to subscribe to Fergrant Mastery, then you will gain access to myself, where I break down pretty much every day the markets. You see by the amount of charts that I produce every day, the members within Fergrant Mastery will get privy access not only to the charts, not only to how I will be looking to take particular positions, but I will also open the floor up to other ways that trades can be taken. I'll always disclose the best way to look for positions to be taken. I'll also disclose the more aggressive way that trades can be taken. And given time, I will also go through when I am actively looking to take that trade. And if I'm failing to do so, then I will most certainly give a full breakdown in regards to how that trade was taken. So, of course, www.fergrantforex.com. It will allow you to gain access into Fergrant Mastery, where we have a growing community there. And as I've said, you will gain all the access to myself. Ask away by way of questions, find the best way for you to learn how to master the currency markets. And believe me, it is most certainly possible. So I'll leave it there for now. Thank you very much for your attention, your time, patience, and of course the love, a bit of hate from time to time as well, but it's all good in the long run. Do take care. All the very best in your trading journey. Charles.